Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. I am honored to be a part of the second annual Planter Herb Garden Challenge. This year, we have to grow 10 herbs. I am excited. So I've got some leaves and some wood chips. And then I'm going to follow it up with some potting soil. Why grow herbs at home? One benefit is for the constant supply of herb leaves for cooking, as well as making delicious, healthy teas. Okay, don't quite need all of those. But I'm just gonna spread them out. Those seeds are pretty small, so I'm just going to just sprinkle a little soil on top. Just make sure the seeds have good contact with the soil so that they don't lift up and relocate. So I'm using the bell cloches to try to warm up this soil out here. The soil temp should be anywhere between 65 and 70 degrees. I am hoping that with the rise in temperature next week or this week, hopefully we can get the temperature of the soil up to 65 degrees at least, so that we can get these seeds germinated. I'm not going to bore you. I will bring you back once I'm done. Feeling raindrops. I've got lemon basil and borage here. I couldn't fit those two on this table, so 8 up here and the 2 that I just showed you. All right, all done. These are my 10 herbs that I'm growing for the Planter Herb Garden Challenge. The first is borage,
Release stress and anxiety.
lemon basil,
Known for its anti-inflammatory properties.
compact dill,
Excellent digestive qualities.
hyssop,
Upper respiratory illness.
anise,
Used for migraines.
wormwood,
Has antibacterial properties.
feverfew,
Fevers, headaches, and arthritis.
lovage,
For pain and inflammation.
echinacea,
Used topically to treat burns.
and broadleaf sage.
Can aid in the regeneration of new hair follicles.
All right, this is my entry video. You came and you saw. These are the 10 herbs that I will be entering into the second annual Planter Herb Garden Challenge 2024. Let's grow, let's grow. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.